Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GM token, ticker symbol Gmbrc. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting December 17th at 8 o'clock UTC time. We're going to go over the information on the GM token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says here, their actual ticker symbol is GM, and the name of the token is GM. But on this new central exchange listing, it has it listed as Gmbrc, which is kind of strange because it's actually a Binance Smart Chain token and not a BRC20 token. So maybe there's a reason, though, that it is listed as Gmbrc, but I mean the main reason is that on this central exchange that it's being listed on, there already is another token with the same ticker symbol GM, so that's why they don't want you to be confused. So if you're looking for this token, it just was announced that they're going to be listed December 17th, 8 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So, first of all, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you would have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search GMBRC, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So GM stands for good morning. Now, if you follow any crypto pages, social medias, a lot of them say good morning, every morning, and it's just a thing. It's just a meme. It's just a trend. They always put GM or good morning, and there's lots of memes about it, and a lot of good nights too, I guess, but mostly good mornings you see on there. And yeah, that's the actual ticker symbol is GM if you're looking for this on their BSC scan. And according to their BSC scan, they have 880 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 20 billion tokens. Now, this is very much a meme token. Now, if you did want to get this prior to the Mexc global listing, since this is a Binance Smart Chain token, I would assume you can get it off of PancakeSwap. I'm just going to scroll through their, scrolling through their transactions here on their BSC scan. I actually don't see anything listed about PancakeSwap on here, but you could get it off PancakeSwap if there is a pool. You could always check. But yeah, I don't see any PancakeSwap transactions on here, so that's strange. So maybe these people acquired it off a Tier 3 central exchange. Maybe there's an announcement about it on their Twitter somewhere we could check out. They do have a Telegram you can follow at Gmtoken official. And they have 9,260 Telegram members, 1,151 of them online. And it says, build hope together. And then it has a link to their webpage on the Telegram. And their Twitter, I'm going to put up right here, 11,000 followers on the Twitter. They just joined in December 2023, so that's a lot of followers in a short amount of time, in under a month. So it says, every good morning is filled with endless possibilities and hope. And you can find their Twitter at Gmtoken BSC Coin. 46 tweets so far. So their newest tweet here, or retweet, is about their MEXC global listing. Now, as we could scroll down through their tweets here, it says, use the spirit of good morning to open up a world of hope and opportunities. I guarantee there's going to be lots of good mornings, wishing you a good morning on their Twitter, of course. But, you know, as I scroll through, it's just a lot of memes. I don't really see listing announcements. I'm not sure how these people, these 800 and something holders, got this token. But, I mean, if you know, you could leave a comment down there. I don't see anything about PancakeSwap. But like I said, you could always just try on PancakeSwap. Or you could just wait till the MEXC global listing and get it off there. Now, their webpage is gmbrc20.com. Over there, there is a buy button that will take you to PancakeSwap. So we solved the mystery. If you want to get this token off PancakeSwap, all you have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the GM token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, gmbrc20.com. So there you go. You can get it off PancakeSwap prior to the MEXC global listing. I don't know if there's taxes, though. Hopefully it says on their webpage. So it says, welcome to GM. We are not just a meme currency. We are a belief, a community, a vibrant cultural symbol. Here, every good morning is filled with endless possibilities and hope. Our goal is to create a platform that not only conveys friendly greetings, but also inspires people to actually participate in the world of digital currency. GM represents the passion and commitment of everyone who loves blockchain technology and believes in the future of digital currencies. We are dedicated to building a community where everyone can easily participate and grow together. At GM, we believe that sharing knowledge, experience, and success is the key to advancing the entire industry. GM is our common language, our unspoken understanding, the signal that starts a new round of trading and exploration each day, whether it's the first ray of sunlight in the morning or the last transaction at dawn. GM conveys a positive and uplifting force. GM is not just a greeting, it is the beginning. Together, let's use GM to illuminate every corner of the blockchain. Good morning. So no taxes, it says right there. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, you probably won't have to worry about slippage. It says liquidity is burnt. And then you can find links to, you know, all their socials on their webpage. So check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the GM token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Check out the MEXC Global Referral Code in the description box. Peace out.